Alright, well I'm going to try to get this last 300 mil of chassis prepared. See how that goes tonight. Well, finally got the recross member on. Bit of a there. Bit of a biggie weld there, biggie weld there. Yeah, done it too bad. It's right underneath. Everything's all nice and tight. I think I've got the height right. Fuel tank in. Double checked off these bits to make sure it all runs through, even though I'm missing the rear tub supports there and there, so I'm going to have to put something in. But the next horrible piece is that piece of shit there and that piece of shit there. Fantastic.